Hello, welcome back to TECHVIFY Software YouTube channel. There's numerous possible risks incurred during software development. How software developers confront and manage the impact of risk on a project scope, budget, timeline will decide the quality of the output product. That's why I wanted to make this video. And in this video, I will talk about common potential risks in the software development projects and the ways to mitigate these issues. First, I want to talk about the risk of scope variation. Every project manager has a significant headache whenever requests are added to a software development project after the budget has been decided. Project scope changes regularly in response to requests from stakeholders or product owners based on user feedback. Changing project scopes can also pose serious risks when software development projects miss deadlines and take longer than expectation to complete. So, how to solve it? By breaking your project into smaller parts and regularly reviewing it, you can keep an eye on scope variations. Using agile development methodology to get small and manageable iterations allows you to think and resize your project more frequently. Ensure your interactions are brief and reasonable so you can modify the project scope and reflect on the opportunities more frequently. Develop the project in a priority level manner. Second, incorrect time and cost estimation. Time and expense overruns are a common occurrence in enterprise software development projects. That is possible throughout a project when unforeseen deadlines and costs exceed the original estimate. There are various reasons leading to this situation, such as project managers' lack of experience and poor communication among stakeholders. Well, we can solve it in following ways. Inform the client of the high likelihood of a risky event. Concentrate on the most critical aspects rather than spreading your efforts across multiple tasks. Adjust your project plan and budget whenever changes are made to avoid project cost increases. Use agile methodologies. Third, a poor risk management plan. Several projects fail as a result of poor project management. This could have a variety of consequences, including employee turnover. Key project developers leave the team, resulting in developmental delays and a failure to meet initial goals. Therefore, ways to solve it. Craft a management plan for multiple risks. Identify risks. Estimate each risk probability. Keep close track of possible problems. Fourth, untrusted software development vendor. Hiring the cheapest provider for outsourcing app development projects is a standard error. It's not always possible to evaluate vendors' performance or results solely based on cost. It would help if you worked with a reputable vendor with extensive knowledge in this field for your software development projects. How to solve it? Well, a big question. Conduct research and decide the country you want to hire developers in. Make a list of reputable suppliers in your chosen market. Before designing, carefully review, interview, and converse with software development teams. Next, the code quality issue. Low quality code is one of the main risks associated with software development. This issue might come from developers' lack of professionalism and expertise, the multi-part project being too complicated, constant modification of requirements, and then how to solve it. Test regularly, especially after each iteration. Fix bugs immediately when found. Use the latest and best coding practices. Establish code standards for software developers. 6. It is unappropriated technology to using. Selecting appropriate technology is crucial because it can significantly impact your project. The programming language that is not suitable and can raise expenses and lower output. The programming language that is not suitable can raise expenses and lower output. In general, preliminary research is one of the software development's most frequent technical dangers, which might change the project's outcome. You can consider the following ways to solve it. Determine the significant requirements for the project. Think about the various options for developing an application. Priority for the latest technologies. Well, the last risk in software development is low productivity. Well, productivity decline is another risk in software development. This is common when working on a project with a long timeline, which could cause delays, staff burnout, and other consequences. Poor productivity can result from poor project management, mismatched team members, and incorrect methodology selection. I have some solutions for you. Look for a great PM who can inspire and manage the team. Developing a suitable project schedule to reduce stress and avoid burnout. Effective communication about the project details and issues. Setting realistic goals. Well, above are the top 7 risks you may encounter when developing software. One piece of advice for your business that if you don't have a technology team with many years of experience, you can choose to hire an outsourcing team. Thanks for watching this video. So please comment if you have any questions and don't forget to like and subscribe TECHVIFY YouTube channel. So, see y'all.